Hello, welcome back in this lesson. Today we are going to discuss about the science and the art of management. That means, is management an art or a science? Learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, you will be able to define what is science and art. You may be able to define or explain management is science and management is art, or both management is science and art. If we want to discuss about management is art and management is science, or both management is art and science, at first we have to know what is the basic concept of management. Here some definitions. Management is a set of activities including planning, decision making, organizing, leading and controlling that is directed at an organizations through different resources like human, financial, physical and information resources. The main objective of management is to achieve the goals of the organization. So, if we want to define management according to Harold Kuhns, he said that management is an art of getting things done through and with the people in formally organized groups. It is an art of creating an environment in which people can perform an individual and can cooperate towards attainment of group goals. So, management is an art of knowing what to do, when to do, and see that it is done in the best and safest way. Here, we'll try to know about science and art of management. The science and art of management, in this case, at first we have to know what is science and what is art. Then management is science and management is art, or both management is science and art. Effective management is a blend of both science and art. So successful executives recognize the importance of combining both the science and art of management as they practice their craft. Management as an art or science or a combination of both. A science can be referred to as knowledge about the structure and behavior of the natural and physical world based on fact that you can prove. So, management is considered as art and science. The art of managing begins where science of managing stops to make management complete. To manage effectively, a manager must have not only the necessary abilities to lead, but also a set of critical skills acquired through time, experience and practice. But in these modern days, a manager can do better by using his knowledge, methods, concepts, theories, etc. of managing at the workplace. Now we'll try to know about management as an art. Art refers to the way of doing specific things. It indicates how an object can be achieved. In the words of George Terry, art is bringing about a desired result through the application of skill. So, art refers to the way of doing specific things. It indicates how an object can be achieved. Management is an art. Some reasons are here. Management is an art because management means coordinating and getting work done through others. Management is based on repeated practice and creativity as required in art. Management has its own approach towards each individual problem, and this ability will develop with experience. Some elements of art in management are practical knowledge, personal skill, creativity, perfection through practice, and goal oriented. Some facets of art are here: practical knowledge, personal skill, creativity, perfection through practice, and last one is goal oriented. How management is a science? Now we try to discuss how management is a science. Science may be described as a systematized body of knowledge based on the proper findings and exact principles, and is capable of verification. It is a reservoir of fundamental truth, and its findings apply safely in all the situations. Actually, management is a science as it has also developed some systematized knowledge. Like other science, management has also developed certain principles, laws, generalization which are universal in nature and are applicable wherever the efforts of the people are to be coordinated. Science is obtaining information about a particular object by a systematic pattern of observation, study, practice, experiment, and investigation. The management process also follows the same pattern: gathering data and fact, analyzing them, and making a decision based on the analysis. In fact, management follows a systematic method to find a possible solution for a problem. In this case, science underlying managing is indeed inexact or a soft science at best. So, management can never become as pure science. However, the study of the scientific foundation of management practice can improve one's management skill. Now, we'll try to know about how management is a science. Management has a scientific basis because management techniques are measured through different types of systematics or systematized process. Similar to the science, management skills are experimental and it also developed by trial and error process. In this case, management is science because all managerial skills are developed through experimental basis and it also developed by trial and error process. In management, there is the availability of systematic and organized study material. So, some elements of science in case of manage, that means managing: concept, method and principles, theories, organized knowledge and practice. On the basis of this, we can say management is science because some activities of management are included or performed through a scientific way. That facets are here: concept, methods and principles, theories, organized knowledge, and last one is practice. Now we are going to discuss about management is both art and science. Already we have discussed management is science, management is art. Now we try to know how management is both art and science. Science teaches us to know while art teaches us to know. So to be successful, managers have to know and do things effectively and efficiently. This requires a unique combination of both science and art of managing in them. It may, however, be said that the art of managing begins when the science of managing stop. Management is both an art and a science. The above mentioned points clearly reveal that management combines features of both science as well as art. It is considered as a science because it has an organized body of knowledge which contains certain universal truth. It is called an art because managing requires certain skill, which are personal possessions of managers. Science provides the knowledge and art deals with the application of knowledge and skills. Thank you for your watching.